Harward CREW!
It's Derby time 2011, ladies and gents. Y-E-H-A-W.
What's up?
Here we are down in Richfield, getting ready to run. Got friends we're catching up with, saying hello to everybody, getting ready to bang. So we'll just be collecting another $1,000 at this point. I mean, that's just what we're doing. Down here for the money. Here
dough,
for
not the show.
We're here
Dough
for the show and the dough.
Derby nonsense.
Yep, sit and relax. It's all over now. It's all over but the crying.
We'll win this Derby tonight.
I'd hate to not be a Harward this evening.
You know, there's really two key things about derbying. If we don't fucking kill each other by the time we build it, we're gonna kill them in the arena.
Sportsmanship. Let's give them all a big round of applause as they come in.
There they are! fire. Oh, that freaking
Now, I thought the quarterback was the one that got hit, not hit the hit.
Oh no! Oh no! There he goes! There he goes! Get it, baby! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it with that pointy, baby!
Attaboy!
Yeah! Yeah! Show him what a real bumper is!
Yeah! Come on!
That's what I like to hear.
Mad dog, my mad dog.
Love you, honey.
I love you.